A little bit of a longer video tonight. I have something interesting to show you. A good Tuesday evening. I'm Storm Tracker 12 meteorologist Isaac Cleland. Tonight, we will be looking for generally partly to mostly cloudy skies with a stray shower possible, with lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then highs tomorrow should make it into the upper 60s to lower 70s. That's warmer than today. You will notice this simulation right here is picking up on the potential for a shower or thunderstorm popping up tomorrow afternoon or evening. More on that here in just a moment. As we move into Thursday, we'll be looking for partly sunny skies with highs in the 75 to 80 degree range. So here we go, hour by hour. I'm going to show you two different simulations. This is the first one, and you'll notice there could be an isolated shower tonight, and then we'll be making our way through the day tomorrow. And you're not going to see a whole lot happening on this particular model. Now, what the model is doing here, it's trying to simulate what the radar could look like in the future. It's not actual radar, it's a simulation of what it may look like to try to give us an idea of where it may rain in the future. And so models like this one that show us that, there's like 4, 5, 6, or 7 of them that I use on a regular basis, and there's more than that. And so we have so many different simulations here that are trying to show us what the radar could look like in the future. That's why it's not real radar, because there's many different representations of what could happen. And again, the main takeaway here is this model not showing any rain at all tomorrow. Interestingly, last night when I did this same video here and showed you this same exact model, it had rain all over the area for Wednesday afternoon, now tomorrow afternoon, and now it has absolutely nothing. So this model completely changed from one day to the next. But that doesn't mean the forecast changed. It just means that things the computers were doing changed, and these computers go directly into your weather app. So that's why your weather app is going to be changing all over the place at times, so when things like this happen. Let's show you another computer simulation though. These are our opportunities for a few isolated showers tonight, and then we'll head into tomorrow afternoon. You'll see a different outcome. This is tomorrow afternoon, and you can see this model is popping up a shower or thunderstorm. Many areas still see little to no rain, but if we see a shower or thunderstorm pop up, we could see a locally heavy downpour of rain. And this is what I think the case for tomorrow's forecast is going to be. Now, from a probabilistic standpoint, the best chance for rain is going to be across southern parts of the area and further south tomorrow, but we also can't rule out a shower or rumble of thunder popping up further to the north as well. Rain is not likely tomorrow, but it is possible that a shower or thunderstorm could pop up. That's the bottom line here with the forecast. Compared to yesterday, rolling it forward into today, that chance for rain has increased just a little bit, where, remember I said that the rain was favored to be mainly south of us in Wednesday's forecast. It's creeping a little bit further north here. That's why the highest probability for rain is across southern parts of the area, with lower probabilities to the north. That's the detailed specifics on how this forecast is kind of evolving. Now I'm going to explain what the forecast is here. So for tonight, upper 30s to low 40s to the north, mid 40s to low 50s to the south. Those are your low temperatures. Winds will be very light here, variable between 3 and 8 miles per hour. Sky conditions tonight will range from partly to mostly cloudy, and there is a chance of an isolated rain shower. Rain amounts, there will be many areas that see 0. If you do see a shower pass by, it'll be 1/10 of an inch or less. Here's tomorrow's forecast. Overall, partly sunny skies, high temperatures easily into and through the 60s, and across southern parts of the area especially, it is likely that we will see some lower 70s on the map. Here's additional details about tomorrow's forecast. A mix of clouds and sun. We do have a chance of a late afternoon shower or thunderstorm popping up. And as far as those rainfall amounts, tomorrow between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., that's how the daytime tomorrow is defined here, we will still have some spots that don't see any rain at all, and we'll have some other spots that see just a little bit of rain. Now, if we do see a shower or thunderstorm pop up, it's going to move very slowly, which means if you do happen to be in the one little localized spot that ends up underneath it, you could see 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. But again, amounts 1/4 to 1/2 inch would be isolated. Most areas will not see that much rain. Thursday then, partly sunny, 78. Friday, showers are likely, 74. That's a cold front, so that dips us back to 60 on Saturday. 60 is still pretty nice for this time of the year. 68 Sunday, and then strong warming likely again early next week, back into and well through the 70s, possibly even near 80.